In today's video, I will walk you through how to add stocks on your watch list using Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To follow along, open Robinhood Legend either through the official Robinhood website or the Robinhood app. Then make sure you are on the main trading interface where all your widgets and tools are available. Once you are on the main screen, look for the option labeled Add Widget and click on it. This opens a menu where you can manage and add different tools to your layout, including your watch list. From the available options, select Watchlist. This will bring up a list where you can start choosing stocks to include. Click Add to open the stock list, then scroll through the available options until you find the stock you want to track. Take your time here so you pick the correct one. Once you see the stock you want, click on it to select it. After selecting it, the stock is immediately added to your watch list inside Robinhood Legend, and it will appear in your widget section for quick access. If you want to add more stocks, go back to Add Widget again and repeat the same process. Open a list, choose another stock, and add it in the same way. Each selection will be added one by one, and all of them will stay saved in your watch list for tracking. You can keep repeating these steps until your watch list includes everything you want to monitor. Once you are done, your selected stocks will remain visible and ready for quick review anytime you open Robinhood Legend.